So at the time of this recording, it is 1:15 p.m. and I'm supposed to go to work at 2 o'clock, at 2 p.m., right? I think I'm about to quit. Things I hate. You're an employee at a job, right? And your boss rolls up in a brand new car. I don't care, whatever car, whatever your taste is. And he sees you, the employee. He looks at you and he says, if you keep on working hard, by next year,
I'm gonna have another one of these bitches.
yeah. I just always wanted to, when I quit that job, that I'd have something else before I quit that job. But I noticed that this job is getting in the way of two important things for me. One is school, and the other is my entrepreneurship, my passion, my social media stuff. And I know a lot of you watching this is going to think, oh, oh, this nigga's a fool. This nigga's an idiot. This guy really isn't about to go quit his job to make dumbass videos on Instagram and YouTube. Well, guess what? I am about to quit my job to make dumbass videos on YouTube and Instagram. Watch me. Go up to work. You know, I gotta take an inside and show on the wall one.
What's up, guy?
How you doing?
Pretty good. You clocked in yet?
Not yet.
Yeah, like 30 minutes.
I know, but
What's wrong?
I'm sorry to inform you, but I got to go.
You gotta go? What do you mean go?
Like, go.
What do you mean, like go, like right now? Or you just saying like, what? I don't understand.
No, like,
Try again. Put it in context for me.
I need to leave this job.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are quitting
Yes.
today.
Yes.
Okay. All right. What's your reasons?
So, there you have it. I proceeded to tell him that there was a significant breakdown between management and associates, and that I did not appreciate that. And I needed something with a lot more transparency. But in the real world, the job that you get with the most transparency is when you are your own boss. It did suck. It did hurt because right now, I need to make an income. I need some type of money. I need something to bolster the projects that I want to do. But I'll figure it out. So I just quit my job. And honestly, I don't care if some of you want to say I am a waste man or that I have no ambition. This right here is my ambition. To just be some sort of representation for Jamaican people. And as I said before, some of you may rate me, some of you may diss me. I don't care. I love one the same way.
I'm just tired of living in this hamster wheel, working for people that doesn't really appreciate you, doesn't appreciate your talents, doesn't appreciate your work ethic. You sell your playtime of life, the one life we get, just to make $9, $10, $11 an hour, doing something you hate, just to live paycheck to paycheck, to pay rent, to eat food, just to buy one or two little moments to enjoy the one life that you get. I'm tired of being a pawn, working to make somebody else rich. I'd like to give a special shout out to my brother in Kempo Music. Yo, subscribe to his channel, follow him on Instagram. Alright? Kempo is my brother, yo, big up yourself, brother. Future bright like summer sun. Right now I am just working hard to make my own future bright. As I said, I love social media. I love Instagram. I love YouTube. And I just hope that I'll be able to make waves on this. Really Yaadman is here, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you who have supported me. Subscribe if you want, like if you want, comment if you want. Yeah. Share if you want. Yeah, whatever. Yaadman out.